If I tell you do like this, I'ma show my do like this. If I tell you do like that, I'ma show my take on to the left though.
Oh, but we'll be techno copana, over international banana.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So today's video, I'm basically bringing you guys this makeup look. It's a very affordable, drugstore friendly look. So I thought I would bring something a little different to you guys because I know makeup can be expensive. So yeah. If you want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. But before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And of course, share with all your friends. Like this video if you want to see more makeup tutorials from us. And yeah, I'm going to stop grabbling and let's get right into the video. Hey guys, welcome to another video. So as always, I'm going to start with my VDL primer. You guys know the drill. This has been my go-to recently. You know, make sure you prime that face so that your makeup can stay on for a very long time. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and color correct my dark spots. I have a few dark spots, not that many, but I'm still gonna correct them so that they don't peek through too much through like my foundation and my makeup. So I'm just doing that using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit, and I'm using the shade Coral as always. So the next thing I'm going to go ahead and use is my VDL Perfect-Lasting Foundation. I ran out of the other foundation I used to use, which was CoverGirl, which I loved, guys. But this foundation is also really good. I do believe it's also very affordable, so definitely check it out. But this is in the shade V05, and I'm just basically adding the foundation first with my brush. I always do this because I feel like it's better to like spread it out, and then I go ahead with my beauty blender to make sure that it's like skin-like, you know, because I feel like the brush that I use is not a good enough brush to blend my foundation without leaving streak marks. So that's why I normally just add the foundation with my brush and kind of spread it out like that, and then I go in with the beauty blender to make sure that everything is skin-like, because we want this to look like we don't have makeup on, okay? Next, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Smashbox Cosmetics Studio Skin Concealer, and this is in the shade Light, Medium, Warm, Golden, if I'm not mistaken. And basically, I've been loving this concealer, honestly. I've been using it so much, and it's very affordable. Like, I got this at my local drugstore. So definitely, I would definitely recommend this concealer because it's just really amazing. But basically, I'm applying it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it with my beauty blender. Of course, my beauty blender is like my holy grail. I swear to God, I love it. I use it for blending everything basically because I just love how the products sink into my skin. But that's basically what I'm doing right here. I'm gonna let you guys watch me blend my concealer away. So the next thing that I'm using is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit, and this, I'm pointing to the shades Cinnamon and Chocolate. I use both of these to like contour because I feel like chocolate can be like a little dark for me sometimes, especially in the winter. So I mix them together and just basically place that everywhere on my face, you know, my cheekbone, my jawline, my forehead. I don't place it on my nose though because I feel like it makes it look a little too harsh. So basically I'm just over here blending that concealer as usual, and yeah, that's basically it, guys. It's time to set everything, and to set my highlighted areas, I'm using my RubyKisses HD Set and Forget powder. I ran out of the Beauty, which I really love, but this one works well too. So in order to contour, I'm going to be using this pressed powder by NICKAK New York, and this is in the shade Cocoa, if I'm not mistaken, and it's very affordable, guys. I got this at my local beauty supply store, and I'm basically just setting that contour and contouring my nose. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows, and to do so, I'm using my pencil by NICKAK New York as well, and this is in the shade Black. And I'm just basically outlining my brows as usual, and then I'm gonna go ahead and fill them in, and I'm going to at the end just basically like clean them up using my foundation and my brush, just because yeah, you want them to look sharp, you want them to look neat. So that's what I'm gonna do, that's what you're gonna see me do in a few moments. Now for the fun part, I'm using my e.l.f. Rose Gold Scented palette. I love this palette, guys. Like, I can't even tell you how much I love it, because I can just do so many looks. But I'm gonna use this like brown burnt orange shade to basically just put in my crease, and then I'm using this darker shade to outline the outer area of my eyes. So take your time with this, guys. You know, the more time you take, the better it will look, so don't rush this process, and you know, be careful, because this color is actually really dark, so be careful. Next, I'm gonna go back with my concealer, and I'm just going to basically place that on the inner portion of my lid, just because I want that color that I'm gonna place there to pop. So once I'm done outlining my lid with my concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and use that like bronzy, like orangey shade. I'm really bad at describing colors, guys, but yeah, I'm gonna be using that shade and just putting that on the outer part of where I place the concealer, closer to the dark shade. After I'm done with that color, I'm gonna go with this gold color and place that on the inner portion of my lid, and just blend everything together, because I want everything to like look seamless and like it's all blending together really well. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And then of course I'm gonna go and just touch up everything, make sure that, you know, like those colors aren't lost, and just touch up and add a little more color to the look. So you guys know I love my inner eye highlight, so I'm using my Carli Bybel palette as always, and just putting that shade in my inner eyes. And then I'm gonna use my Bourjois Paris mascara. This is the Twist Up and Volume mascara, and I'm just gonna go ahead and basically add that to my lashes. And for blush, I always use the same blush. This is the Duo blush by NICKAK New York. It's honestly my go-to. I love the color, and I just love how it brings back color to my face. And then I'm gonna go back in that BH Cosmetics Carli Bybel palette, and I'm just going to highlight the rest of my face. So, you know, obviously the bridge of my nose, my cheekbones, you know, my chin, just highlight everything. So next, the star of the show, I'm gonna be rocking Kayowa Beauty lashes. Yes, guys, I'm rocking these lashes, and I'm actually gonna show you guys today how I applied them. So I'm using the lash glue from Ardell, sorry, I don't know what I was saying, but basically I'm using this clear lash glue by Ardell. And because I have long curly lashes, I normally press down my lashes, and obviously I do this once the mascara has dried, and I use my tweezers to kind of just put the lash, well, basically put the lash on. So how I do it with the tweezers, I start by adding the glue obviously on the lash, and then I make sure that the middle is stuck on really well, and then after that I go ahead and tackle the sides. So that's the easiest way I've done it. I've just shown you how I normally just press down the lashes with my tweezers, because my natural lashes are way too curly. Like, it used to take me ages just because of that to put my lashes on. Oh, and I forgot to mention that these lashes are in the style Everyday, so I really love them. Make sure you check it out when it drops, okay, March 29th. Then moving on to the lips, I'm using this matte lipstick by Give Them Lala Beauty. I actually really love this lip. This lip color is in the shade Pump, and it's been my go-to lately because it's like this brownish shade, and I absolutely love it, guys. Like it's been one of my go-tos lately because I've always wanted a brown shade for my lips, and I could never find one, and this one is like perfect. So yeah, definitely check out Give Them Lala Beauty. I'll have all the information in the description box, by the way, guys. But that's basically how I did this drugstore look, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, obviously.
So guys, this is the final look. This is the look I came up with using my e.l.f. Cosmetics palette. And honestly, this is like my go-to drugstore palette, honestly, because it's so affordable and there's shades for literally every day, like whatever you want, whether you want to go out, whether you want just a soft like day look, there's shades for everything. So I really like that palette. But yeah, basically this is the look I came up with, and of course I did use the Kayowa Beauty lashes. Definitely get your hands on it because you know I've been liking them lately. Yeah, I really like the packaging too. Shout out to my sister for this. Yeah, it's just really amazing, and I'm really happy for her and really proud of her. So yeah, definitely check out the lashes. These are in the style Everything, and these are 16 millimeters, so definitely good for everyday wear. So yeah, definitely check out the website, check out the Instagram page, kayowabeauty.com, and Instagram is Kayowa Beauty. Definitely check all of that out because you'll get more lashes. There's a lot of lash styles, so yeah, definitely check it out. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Of course, share with all your friends, share with your mom, your dad, your sister, your brother. Tell everyone to come and subscribe to our channel, and definitely subscribe for more hair, makeup, fashion, and lifestyle related videos. And yeah, we're just really happy and really glad for all the support that we continuously get. So thank you so much for coming back to our channel, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys!